Okay, here's how we're going to do the fills on these tanks. Just going. I like to do it slow. Compressed air is always better to do slow. We're there. Turning it off. Going to release the pressure here so we can take the tank off. Here's my regulator set up here. Right now I've got about 3,500 in the compressor, but we're going to kick it on for you so you know what's going on. Got 120 foot of this line here. Okay, here's the scuba fill. We just put it on the scuba thing, same way we fill up the other tanks. Now we're going to walk back to the compressor. Again, all my line goes this way. It's all up there, bracketed. We take the brackets off, you can have the line. Compressors here. Here's your four main tanks. They are 6,000 rated. Got a gauge here. Also, another fill station line here. If you had an emergency or whatever and you want to bleed it out. Power boxes here. I'm going to show you the power source. Here's this, goes included with it. The fuses, whatever. You know, we can cut it off there. You know, you guys want to do more work, you can have a little bit more line to it. Anyway, I'm going to shut it. Here's where the main plug is. Power on. I just turn it off just because I like to be safe. You know, starting this thing is easy. Just come over here, hit that auto. There's the gauges. Now I'm going to go back over here to the road. It'll automatically shut off. Probably run about 10 minutes and it'll be done. And that's about it.